Hi, today I'm going to present the asset control management. There are four models we can use to manage. The first one is the discretionary asset control (DAC). The second one is mandatory asset control (MAC). The third one is RBAC, role-based asset control. The last one is RBAC, is rule-based asset control, which is add a further route to the role-based asset control. The DAC, discretionary asset control, is the system that use the dictionary asset control enable the owner of the resource to specify which subject can access specified resource. It means the owner uh, is a is a be enabled to access a special resource. This model is called a dictionary because the control of asset is based on the discretion of the owner. So it is based on the owner. The owner assign the control right to the user, and then the user can access the subject the specified resource. Um, there are graphic maybe okay, something like this. This is the DAC. So this is a subject. They can get a permission. So in the subjects get a permission to delete, update, or read to access the resource. So is discretionary as a control. And then MAC is the operating system enforce the system security policy through the use of security label. MAC is the mandatory asset control is a predefined set of capability and access to information. The it means who can share what information to whom. So it means the owner, I mean the user A have a right to share the message to the owner B. It is the it is a security because he focus on the subject and the object. I mean the who can share what subject, what message or what information to the subject, the B. This is the mandatory asset control. More detail about the mandatory asset control is that an operating system that is based upon MAC model greatly reduce the amount of rights, permissions, and functionality a user has a security purpose. These systems are usually very specialized and are in place to protect highly classified data. Yeah, that can be the MAC can be used a high classified data area. And then the third one is the RBAC. RBAC is a role-based asset control, which means is the role-based asset control model use a centrally administrated set of control to determine how subject and object interact. As the number of objects and user group within an environment, users are bound to be granted unnecessary access to some object, thus violating the listing privilege rule and increasing the risk to the company. The RBAC approach simplifies access control administration by allowing permission to be managed in terms of user job roles. Uh, the graphic we can get more understand the RBAC. Okay, this the RBAC graphic. I found it in the internet. The RBAC definition. So it means this is a user. This I mean this all is user, but it can be roles in different level user, like the the the, the simple user, the power user, or the admin. So they have a different level. We can see that, and then it's write assign write to different level user. So like the read and write or delete and configuration and configuration, right? So this is a this right can assign to the different user. User is a role. You can separate in different level user. This is roles, and then they can execute different right on the application, like the or document or files. So what action they can use, like in the blue one, the blue one can use the read and write, and the green one it means they can delete the file, and the blue is the is a can do the configuration or delete. You can see the blue one, they can configuration this application layer. So the RBAC it means the set up the different level up to the user, and then give it the right, and assign the right to the different level user to do different actions. That's the RBAC. The accept decision are based on each subject role and all functional position. Yeah, that means it's set up different level to user, or what user in what level. It depends on its power, or depend. I mean, it depends on the the right they should have. And then the last one is the RBAC. That is have more decision. It's a root. So add more rules to the on the RBAC to impose the rules. Yeah, if I impose a rule, then further we choose a set decision. The more details, more there are more complex decision to set a right to the user. That's the RBAC. Okay, thank you.